the home lineup. Freshman number 1, Hope Roney.
Freshman number 1, Hope Roney.
Junior number 15, Carson Keener.
Junior number 15, Carson Keener.
Junior number 11, Maddie McCrory.
Junior number 11, Maddie McCrory.
Junior number 12, Kaylee Stroud.
Junior number 12, Kaylee Stroud.
Senior number 0, Audrey Lofton.
And the only senior, number 0, Audrey Lofton. That'll round out your Lady Lions. This should be a really good game. I don't know if it can get much better than the last game, man. Woo! I'm going to have some Tums or something. Them girls like to give me indigestion. It was back and forth. It's what you call an emotional roller coaster.
Right before the game, I want to thank Andy Rydell Flying Service for what all they do for the team. All right. Jumping off for DeSoto's, number 10, Allie Reynolds.
And number 1 for the Lady Lion, Hope Roney. She's a ninth grader. Oh! And it goes to Lady T-Birds.
And we're rolling.
Darby rolls around, gives the door. Pass around.
DeSoto's trying to find something. 22, Raylan Darby tries to drive.
Gets packed by number 12, Kaylee Stroud. And here comes the Lady Lions down to start up their offense.
Oh! Straight to the hands of number 1.
Hope Roney, but picked up by Maddie McCrory. Good hustle.
Oh. Number 33, Ainsley Barnes, is going to knock it right out of bounds.
You want to toss that?
Lofton would be throwing it in.
Oh.
Almost stolen by. Oh.
She didn't make the shot, but she got fouled by 33 Barnes.
Her first foul. That was Kaylee Stroud that got fouled. Her first free throw is no good, just a little short. She'll put a little more on it this time, watch. I told you. Perfect.
1-0.
Stroud. Stroud is now the leading scorer in the whole game so far.
Here come the Birds.
Barnes looking for an open.
Take her.
She's going to take it all the way in. Left-handed layup. Call a charge of foul on Ainsley Barnes.
That's her second foul.
That's her second foul. Keener with the ball.
There goes Lyons working around. It's going to be picked up by Barnes. She's going to go all the way with it. It's good.
Now Ainsley Barnes is the leading scorer in the game. Also the leading fouler.
That's right.
Good skip pass to Keener.
Oh!
Goes out of bounds.
Looks like it's going to be out on the lines. Number 32, Rydell, subs in for Barnes.
Gore brings it down for the T-Birds.
Oh, she gives it right back to Darby. She shoots a three.
No good.
No good.
Out of bounds. She hadn't found the range yet. McCrory will break it down for the Lady Lions. Skip pass to Keener.
They're trying to work it around. Oh, nearly picked off by Gore. They feed it to number 1 inside. She shoots. It's good.
What a shot by Hope Roney. Man, she hooked that ball in there like Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. You know who that is?
Yeah.
That man can shoot a hook shot. It's hard to guard a hook shot.
It's difficult.
You probably could, couldn't you?
Oh, yeah, you know. Gore shoots it from deep. Off the rim. Rebound by Barnes. She shoots. She's going to be fouled. Good putback by Lil Barnes.
Baby Barnes will be shooting 2 here. That foul is by number 15, Carson Keener, her first foul. Barnes shoots.
Oh,
first one no good. Got to make your free throws.
I know it. That's what we've been saying all week.
I know it. About 2 weeks now.
There she goes.
There it is. She ties it up.
Tied up.
You know, the Barnes girls got all the points so far. So far.
A little nervous. Lady Lions working around.
12 takes it in.
Good rebound by 32, Sarah Lane Rydell.
As Stroud took the shot, missed.
T-Bone. Number 1, Gore looking to drive. She gets it to Amy Barnes, kicks it right back to her.
Gore shoots.
Oh,
no good.
Oh, T-Bird stick with it though. Gore's gonna try to drive again. It's good.
That was an awesome left-handed layup. Well, she'll try to go with the right hand and blocked it. Lady Lions passes around. Number 11, McCoy shoots, no good. So it's going to be the Lady T-Birds on the side. Goes out of bounds on the Lady Lions. Got Baby Barnes throwing it in.
Soda's going to set it up. Reynolds up top with it. She gives it to Darby. Oh, she thought about shooting it.
I thought she was.
She needs some help. Oh. She nearly finds Rydell.
Rydell to save that ball. Going back court. Gore sets up her offense. Oh. Look at that pass out. 3-pointer.
Nice shot by Amy Barnes. T-Birds dragging out the lead a little bit.
Baby Barnes takes up 5-point lead. Oh, man, off the fingertip of Hope Roney. Just a little too hot and outside for her to handle. They get a Lady T-Birds ball. Gore breaks it down for the T-Birds. Working around the outer perimeter. Gore drives. I think he tried to pass it.
Looking for something. It wasn't there.
It wasn't there.
Lady Lions basketball.
I'm going to say it was a pass because it couldn't have been a shot.
I hope not.
Not that low. Keener. Good hustle by the T-Birds. McCrory would be throwing it in for the Lady Lions. She's looking for somebody.
Oh.
She finds Lofton out the top. Back
Barnes
to
almost
McCrory.
had it.
To Keener. Keener shoots. No good.
Nice rebound by Rydell. Here come the Thunderbirds. Darby wanted it. She drives instead. It's good.
That's a way to take it to the basket right there. McCoy brings it down for the Lady Lions.
Trying to give it to number 12 inside.
Loose ball picked up by McCrory. Skip pass to Roney. Roney drives it off her foot. Picked up by Darby.
Gore's taking it up the sideline. She pulls from deep. It's almost. Rebound by Allie Reynolds. It is good.
Good job by Reynolds to be there and put it back in.
Boy, I bragged about her all week on her rebounds, and she's doing it.
Man, she's doing awesome. Keener drives all the way to the basket, puts it up, and she's going to draw the foul. By number 32, Rydell. Will be her first foul. So Carson Keener goes to the line, shooting two. This young lady can shoot. She shoots very well. Carson Keener gets that for a second shot. Hits perfect as well. Great job of shooting free throws by Carson Keener.
Good free throw shooter.
Whew, yeah, he's very good.
Darby pulls from deep. No good.
Rebounded by McCrory. McCrory's going to take it down, try to score before the buzzer. And she does. Nice job by Maddie McCrory. Bring it down.
12-7. We'll be right back.